guys, so Blaine's taking his car drifting in less than a week. So he painted the body and already did the front and the rear bumper. All I have to do left is just the front fenders, the hood, the side skirts, and then the light covers. I'm trying to figure out how to take them off right now. I never did it before, but I'm trying to take it off without breaking that plastic piece that holds everything together. So once I get everything good, I can start sanding everything down and getting ready to lay down some primer. But I'm excited because I just brought the car out and it looks really good in the sun. So I'm hoping that I don't mess up on any pieces because we're kind of on crunch time right now. We don't really have time for mistakes today. So I'm just trying to get everything done as soon as possible. I just finished sanding down all the pieces that are gonna get painted today, so now I can bring this hood inside the garage. I'm gonna see if I can probably hang this up. I'm not too sure where, but I feel like it would be so much easier to paint it up and down rather than try to bend over. Okay, let's bring this inside. The tires for the event just got delivered too. So these are, what did Blaine get? These are Acceleras? Yeah, Acceleras 225 40s. I think they're gonna get thrown onto the battles. What the heck? What the heck? There's cat food in here. That's so random. Anyways, I'm trying to figure out the best way to mount this up because I kind of want to hang it rather than paint it flat because it's a lot easier to spray like this. I think I'm gonna try to see if I can hang it over here. Let's see. I got it. Okay. Oh. Cherry. We did it. Oh, so smart. Look at this. So I just used one of these ratchet straps and I put it through these little holes at the top. So perfect. I'm just about ready to spray. I just wet the ground. It's funny because things take way longer than you kind of expect it to because I started this at about 8:30 after I dropped Kaylee off at school and I thought I was gonna be done by 11, 12 o'clock at the latest, but it's about 1:30, so I need to hurry and spray this real quick and then go get her. And if anything, I'll just finish up when I get back. Okay, let's go. We did it, guys. So it's been about half an hour and everything is laid down. So I'm gonna just let it sit while I go pick up Kaylee. because it does need to sit for a little bit and then you can start putting the base on it. But so far it looks really good. Alright guys, we're back. It's time to lay the base down. So I already mixed the base up. We're probably gonna need to mix another one of these cups, but this should be enough for probably the first 2 passes. I think I'm gonna try to do 3 coats this time. We are at the home stretch right now, so I'm mixing up the pearl right now. Luckily, nothing has ran. I'm pretty proud of it, so hopefully the pearl does the same thing. Originally, we were gonna do some test panels to see how much pearl we wanted to add, but we didn't end up doing it, so we kind of just winged it and did 3 scoops of pearl for a whole container. And so far it's turned out good. I like the way that the bumper looks, especially in the sun. It looks really nice. Look at how nice this pearl is. Okay, this is it. This is the pearl. I guess this part would be the most intense part of the whole paint job, because if you spray too much of the pearl, it kind of bunches all up together and it's really noticeable, especially in the sun. So hopefully we can get it right. I think I'm gonna do 1 mist coat and then I'll do 2 little bit thicker coats. Ready. So change of plans, the compressor is giving out right now. It goes to about 110 and then when I start spraying it goes all the way down to 60 and it's continuously running but it's not building pressure. So I'm gonna get some gas right now and I'm gonna fill Blaine's car up and then just run it for the remainder of the paint job. I only have 1 more side skirt and the hood left, so hopefully I shouldn't have to run it for too long. I just gotta grab some gas first and then we can try it out. I'm so ready to just get this paint job over with. Yeah. Got the gas. Ready? Yep. So I tried to put the gas inside the car, but the car is way too loud and I don't want to be rude to the neighbors, so I just cut it after I sprayed one of the side skirts because it was taking too long to fill back up. So I ended up just putting the pearl inside one of these sprayers and I just finished it up as best as I could. So hopefully the hood turns out pretty good. I'm so burnt. I'm so tired. I've been working on this for so long and I guess just the compressor going out kind of made it kind of nuts, but at least we're able to finish everything. It looks pretty good. I'm happy with all the pieces so far. The only thing I'm worried about pretty much is the hood, so hopefully it turns out good. I'm trying to look in the different lights to make sure that everything is coated. So I think it looks pretty good. Damn it, I should have freaking left it over there. Frick, why did I do that, Kristine? Damn it, I just... This thing is gonna have major orange peel though, so... Frick, why did I just freaking touch it? Damn it. I'm so dumb. I knew I should have left the hood alone, but I accidentally ran it right here. It was so good. Ugh. I honestly feel so defeated right now. I spilled the acetone on my face, accidentally spilled the gasoline on my face. I'm so stressed out about this compressor, but I guess it's just something to get through. So we're here. It's the only mistake, so it's not too bad. It needs to be fixed, but it's not the worst. I laid out all the other parts so that way it could dry. Brought the cars back inside, so I think we're gonna call it a night. It was pretty successful besides all the things going wrong, so it was a good day. That's gonna be it for today's video. We're probably just gonna go grab some food and then head to bed because Kaylee has school tomorrow. So thank you guys so much for watching. We appreciate all you guys' love and support. Head to Car Shop Bloom if you guys want to pick something up. We do have all the shirts for $25 right now with free shipping in the United States. So if you guys want to pick something up, right now would be one of the best times because we're just trying to clear out some inventory so we can make new ones for you guys. So thank you guys so much for the love and support, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out and stay good.